Pour moi, les écrits transcrivaient mieux ce que je ressentais. Quand j'étais heureuse, c'était de la musique. Quand j'étais triste, c'était de la musique. La musique avait une place vraiment importante dans ma vie. Une énième chanson pour réveiller les consciences. Alcool, sexe et drogue, margine et plonger dans les consciences. Un mic, un beat, une feuille, un bic, un peu de bon. La musique, elle a un impact important sur les esprits et sur les comportements des gens. Moi, avec ma musique, ce que je me suis dit, c'est même si je m'adresse à, même si 1 million de personnes m'écoutent et que j'arrive à changer la manière de voir les choses d'au moins 100 personnes, pour moi, j'aurais réussi quelque chose avant de quitter cette terre. Et en tant qu'Africain, tu dois t'engager.
I believe that music played a major role in even bringing something like Gambia.
Can't be silent, they'll continue to reject us. Bob Marley said it best, he said, stand up and get it.
I believe music has and is and was the most powerful tool.
So we can move. So we can move.
I'm making our music video.
So we can move.
Nous sommes dans des pays où il y a tellement de difficultés, il y a tellement de problèmes, où la jeunesse est tellement piétinée qu'il faut qu'on se réveille. Il est temps qu'on se réveille. Parce qu'il faut savoir que les gens qui sont en haut, ce n'est pas eux qui viendront améliorer notre vie à notre place. Tu as ta part. Tu as ta part dans ton pays. C'est à toi de te réveiller, d'aller chercher ce qui t'appartient. C'est bon. I'm finished. Je peux sortir? Donc il faut qu'on s'engage, que ce soit politiquement, que ce soit dans le milieu social, que ce soit dans tout ce que tu fais, engage-toi et fais ça bien, comme ça, voilà.
Ici, ça pue de la pure corruption. Bombe à retardement, bidef, éruption, mafia, Chipori, embarquement, aéroport, nous falsifié. Presse-bec, c'est ni article non justifié. Le chantage, monsieur le justicier, relam la kandiap, en otage, wap, bus moussaf kosap, reketelen fa baye, nous kokoche ko baye, di comme le doukot baye, yon comme le doukitaï. About the corruption. About the corruption, yeah, yeah, about the corruption.
What inspires my music is my society, because I live in a society that we have so many stuffs going on that are really not correct. So me being an artist, I think that being a rapper, I have the chance and the perfect opportunity to talk about those things, because it's now or never.
Dole bi ñun la nanga gom sa boppa tebul hadi bu ebo ñu radicalize ñu oye ñu sa bandi foog ñu continuer struggle bi da suñ ko defu te duñ musa jóg si trouble bi mbolo moy dole nañu mbolo wecci lu wabi get involved, get engaged bu si musa tayi.
When it comes to music, or let's say rap in Gambia, we do not have enough female rappers, so I'm trying to do as much as I can to inspire them in a way that they will start, talking about things that are really affecting people in our society.
Hey, yagi ñor. Do jëla ko yagi tegu. Su sofé nga def 8-4. Understand nga lo me. Su li fi nga poncha dinga.
So we can
L'heure a sonné, il faudra se mobiliser, mobiliser, mobiliser pour la citoyenneté, s'engager, engager, questionner responsabilité, se lever pour sa cité, questionner crédibilité, quand les droits sont bafouillés, la liberté torpillée, bien public détourné, nos ressources sont pillées, s'engager pour la santé, se lever pour l'équité. Oh.
What is yours? Take what is yours, yeah. Don't be afraid to fight for your right, yeah. Take back your freedom, fight for your right, yeah. Don't you know if you sleep on your right? Sorry.
I forget the name. No, it's good, it's good.
Are you accompanying or something?
Yeah, something like that.
Elira, please, kokeli, kokela. Elira, please, kokeli, kokela. Kokela,
On a lutté dans l'espoir d'échanger. Vaille et vaille, démocratie, dictature et cupidité. Vaille et vaille, démocratie, pouvoir du peuple pour le peuple par le peuple. Vaille et vaille, démocratie, cela s'appelle la diversité des idées.
Music as a messenger of democracy. That was the project. We had here Ami Yarawalo and Master Sumi from Mali. We had Killer Ace and our Bling from Gambia. We have Elom from Togo. We have Seal from Nigeria. Of course, we have Kurgi from Senegal, Khalifa and Chad. That was the project. We had 2 great, amazing days. The first day, we had panels, discussions. People shared a lot, share their experience, share what they did in their country. People learn from each other a lot.
Musicians are usually the voices of the people, and musicians represent the people in some way. Although they are not elected, they have agency, they have a huge followership. The musician can basically call for a strike and people will respond more easily than any other person in the society. As a result, when people have agency, they have followership, automatically it gives them a certain level of power. So when it comes to society, civil society is always trying to influence the course of power in terms of how it affects society as a whole. So using musicians is an extremely important.
First of all, when we started, I think we probably made a mistake because we didn't identify musicians as a tool for reaching out with the message that we wanted to pass across. Our main aim was to get the constitution changed to reduce the age for running for office. And so we thought the main target group for us was young people in civil society like us, young people in political parties as well. Basically that was who we saw as our people. And I think in the beginning, we missed that opportunity to engage with musicians as we're building the movement. But what we did was to engage more in the media. So on social media, we had a lot of conversation, on television and on radio as well. But then as the campaign progressed and we started to build the movement, we had a lot more artists who were more socially conscious and were taking notes, and we started to engage with them as we were building these conversations.
Just to give you a couple of practical information on things that's been discussed. You talked about whether we can create a mechanism when artists are at risk. There is actually a program already facilitated by the US organization in New York called PAN, PEN. And they have a project called Artist at Risk Protection Project.
And then the second day, we get to the studio. And then that was a very, very amazing day. From 10 to 7, we were like recording songs. We talked about corruption, democracy, equality. We talked about good governance. That was the topics of all these tracks that we made in the studio. Pretty much, we had a very, very, very nice and great and amazing moment. And then we all look for the next step. What's gonna be like? How we're gonna make it concrete? How we're gonna capitalize and also make those platforms work? This was the reflection that we had during these 2 days. And then we are hoping that in the short and near future, you will see what we're gonna do out of this. And we think music, I say it again, and music is a real one tool for democracy, for the world, for the life, for better living, for the change. One love, everybody. We love you, we like you. Peace, and move forward. Democracy everywhere. Yaga, Ned, all the partners, thank you for the support, thank you for everything. Good governance,
governance, good 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 governance. Dañoo marché bi système a jeté sonn nañ ci juge ñàkk dignité leral leen crime yi ngeen di maquillé trop de yama neex ndax ay plume a jeté économie bi di traîne mbuxum yee ko freiné justice bi di peine état bee ko chaîne blanchir argent sale ak ay combat dugal fraude indi drogue ak ay coups bas ay kees yu ñu këpp ay enquête yu ñu dëpp audit yi takku suuf lay régler foog nga tuuf journaliste yi laal ay dessous de table tu sais que c'est le pouvoir qui tire les câbles baratin tremplin butin pantin mort de faim beau de vin assassin putain état de droit c'est faux